Hello friend, this is Golden Sun, and starting from this video we'll learn the famous C programming language. And why? Um, because it's so important if you want to go deeper and if you want to understand how computer works. You have to learn C. Okay. I use my Mac environment as the tool for our platform for our tutorial. And if you are using Windows or Linux, you can find the similar setup. Okay, so this is my computer, Mac OS Big Sur, and the only thing you need to install is a huge guy, XCode. You can find it here, App Store, and search XCode. Yeah, this guy, XCode, right, with this icon, hammer and something. You install that, and of course I already installed it, so I can open it. And if I click open, oh, actually, yeah, it's something like that here, Xcode. But you don't need to run it actually for our C journey. Okay, so let me try again. So after you install that, and you can search, right, Xcode to make sure it's there. Yeah, Xcode, it looks like that, but we don't need to go inside, right? But if you are interested in Xcode programming, you can watch my other videos. Here, just make sure it's installed. Then we'll go to terminal. Terminal is like a command line tool. Okay, terminal, and you can use command plus sign to increase its size, font size, and the window size, and the command, hold on command key and the minus sign can shrink, right? So we'll play our C hello world here. So why do we need to install SCode? Because it provides, SCode provides this tool, GCC, okay? GNU C compiler, okay? We'll use that to compile our source code, C source code, and generate a runnable binary file. Yeah, so a hello world C program. Let me create a place, make dir C workspace. So cd C, like tab key. Okay, so if we do ls list, right, it's empty, and let's create our C source code. Okay, so vim the editor, hello world .c. okay, .c, the extension is for C by convention, C program language. Enter. Now if you are not familiar with the vim editor, you can find some tutorial about that. Basically, after we enter here, there's two modes, command mode and editing mode. Here is command mode, so we press I key to enter the insert mode, I. Okay, now we can start writing our hello world program. So first of all, we will include a header file, stdio.h. That's standard IO, means input and output. Okay, so the entry point is a main function. The return type is, you don't need to understand everything here, just follow the coding and make it work. Compile it and run it. This is our entry point, a function main, we used like 2 space for the indentation. Okay, so printf, there are 2 arguments. The first one is a format string, like that, or yeah, let's keep it simple. So just put the hello world here. Maybe okay, so let's try this one first. So basically every statement we end with a semicolon, but not here, just this one, and then close our curly braces like that. And it's better to put the return 0 here. Okay, so there will be a small problem for this program, but let's run it first, and if everything is okay, then we'll come back to fix the small problem. Okay, now press escape key to quit the insert mode. Now type colon, and x means save and quit. Okay, now let's list again. Here we see there's a single file under this directory, right? And if we want more detail, we can use this option, ls list. Alright, -l means long format. It's like that. So that's the time, that's the today time, and this is the, which one is the, yeah, this is the file size. Okay, and if you don't understand that, it's okay. Now let's compile using GCC followed by the source file name. Okay, enter. Oh, if something is wrong, there will be a complaint here, but if not, if everything is okay, there's nothing dump out. So now that's okay, you can use the up arrow key to go through the command history like that. Okay, so you don't need to type again. ls space -l means we'll list again. Now there are 2 files. This is the binary code, right? Binary file. It's not human readable, so when we compile, oh, this one GCC means GNU C compiler. Compile this one, we created a runnable file 8.out. So let's run it. The way to run it is we use // then followed by the file name. // means the current directory, right? And slash is the delimiter, 8.out, like that. I just type the tab key to auto complete the file. Now enter hello world, right? And do you see this guy here? Something like that, right? That's because we didn't put a line break at the end of the output. So let's modify it, fix that problem. Let's go inside. Yeah, where I am, right? This is the editor, famous editor. Okay, let's go into here and move to this here. Now press I to enter insert mode, \n. This is a character for line break. Okay, escape key. Now save and quit. Now we need to recompile, right? GCC hello world.c, and if we check again, you see the time will be different. You see 3 minutes later than this one, so it means 8.out was updated, right? Now let's run again using this one, /a.out, right? Enter. Yeah, you see, now it's clean, right? There's no such thing there. Okay, I want to show you what I meant, right? If something was wrong, okay. Let's go back to this file. For example, we are missing, there's a typo for this one, right? Like instead of T, let's add another T here. Escape, right? Save and quit. Now this time, if we compile it, GCC hello world, right? You see, the compiler isn't happy. It complains about, okay, how to read this error message is line 3 colon 1, okay, here inside this file, right? Line 3 colon 1, there's a mistake error, unknown type. Okay, that did you mean int? Okay, GCC is so nice, right? It guessed that, oh, we might need int. Okay, sure, thank you GCC. So we can go back and delete this one. The easy way is press X key under command mode. Okay, now it's done, and colon X. Okay, and recompile. Now this time nothing, no complaint, right? It's out, so we can run it. Oh, out, sorry about that. Okay, cool. Hello world, thank you for watching. See you next time.